Hello everyone, I am Zunat J, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to introduce the business module canvas. So the business module canvas is nothing but a strategic management template used for developing new business modules and documenting the existing ones. There are 9 key concepts. They are customer segments, value propositions, revenue streams, channels, customer relationship, key activities, key resources, key partners, cost structure. So we are gonna see about Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra offers innovative and customer-centric digital experiences, enabling enterprises, associates, and the society to rise. We are a USD 5.1 billion organization with 1,26,200 plus professionals across 90 countries, helping 1,058 global customers, including Fortune 500 companies. We are focused on leveraging next generation technologies including 5G, blockchain, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and more to enable end to end digital transformation for global customers. Tech Mahindra is one of the fastest. So, the history of Tech Mahindra is in 1945, our journey commenced with us getting into the steel business, and over time, we expanded to 22 key industries. Our focus now lies in developing alternate energy sources because we believe energy conservation will play a huge role in ensuring a better future for not just our country and communities but the entire world. So, founder of the Tech Mahindra is Anand Mahindra, born on 1st May 1955, net worth 200 crores USD, spouse Anuradha Mahindra, education the Lawrence School, Harvard University, Harvard Business School, and so on. Books change the rules. Children Alika Mahindra, Divya Mahindra, parents Harish Mahindra, Indra Mahindra. So the key partners are AWS, BMC, Cisco, Dell EMC, Google Cloud, HPE, IBM, Microsoft. So the cost structures are from 2020 to 2021 is 484.1 crore, 2019 to 2020 is 482.9 crores, 2018 to 2019 is 491.7 crores. So the value proposition is Tech Mahindra's value proposition is the ecosystem of partners onto which Tech Mahindra relies on to deliver end-to-end solution, ensuring the use of best of breed vendors and their offerings. So the customer relationship is nothing but the satisfaction, loyalty, service, reliability, improvement, marketing, quality, and support. So the customer segments Tech Mahindra's offering provide unprecedented advantages to clients in bringing profound customer insights, technology enablers, operations capabilities to help transform and partners in their pursuit to embrace digital disruption. We offer improved connect experience across the customer's lifecycle with an interplay of digital strategies across multiple channels. So the revenue streams are about 48% of the revenue for Tech Mahindra Limited was generated from Americas. This was followed by Europe with a 26.5% share. Tech Mahindra conducts business in more than 19 countries. Thank you.